Next up, we would like to evaluate the statement. So we want the limit as x approaches infinity of arctan of e to the x. And so in order to find this, we need to think about what happens to our function here as x approaches infinity. Whatever that thing is, we can simply evaluate arctan of basically e to the infinity is what we're looking for. And so we know that if we look at the limit as x approaches infinity of e to the x, that is going to give us infinity. And if you simply look at the graph of e to the x, you will be able to see that. Let's go ahead and pull that up. Okay, and so we can see that as x is going to infinity this way, our y value is also going to infinity. And so what that means is that the value of the limit of e to the x as x approaches infinity is infinity. And so now we are basically looking for the arctan of infinity. And we know that tan of pi over 2 is an interesting spot on the graph of tan, because at pi over 2 it goes to infinity. And so what that means is that tan of pi over 2 is equal to infinity. And then if we just convert this into the inverse trig form, it becomes arctan of infinity is equal to pi over 2. And we could really have any multiple of pi over 2, as you can tell by this graph. And so we could write it as n pi over 2. And so what that means is that the limit as x approaches infinity of arctan of e to the x is equal to arctan of infinity. And that is going to give you, let's leave it as pi over 2. You can write 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, any multiple of pi over 2 that is not even numbered. And so our final answer will become the limit as x approaches infinity of arctan of e to the x is pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, and that's it for this question.